Amazing fun fact about tuna. Number 1. Tunas are elongated, robust, and streamlined fishes. They have a rounded body that tapers to a slender tail base and a forked or crescent-shaped tail. In color, tunas are generally dark above and silvery below, often with an iridescent shine. They have a conspicuous keel on either side of the tail base, a row of small finlets behind dorsal and anal fins, and a corselet of enlarged scales in the shoulder region. Another notable feature is a well-developed network of blood vessels below the skin that acts as a temperature-regulating device associated with long-term, slow swimming. Number 2. The 7 species of tunas in the genus Tunas are the northern bluefin tuna, T. finis, albacore, T. ala lalunga, yellowfin tuna, T. albacores, southern bluefin tuna, T. finis mccoyi, big-eye tuna, T. obesus, blackfin tuna, T. atlanticus, and long-tail tuna, T. tongo. These different species range from moderate to very large in size. The giant of the group is the northern bluefin tuna, which grows to a maximum length and weight of about 4.3 meters, 14 feet, and 800 kilograms, 1,800 pounds. The yellowfin tuna reaches a maximum weight of about 180 kilograms, 397 pounds, and the albacore grows to about 36 kilograms, 79 pounds. Number 3. The tuna is a sleek and streamlined fish, adapted for speed. It has 2 closely spaced dorsal fins on its back. The first is depressible. It can be laid down, flush, in a groove that runs along its back. 7 to 10 yellow finlets run from the dorsal fins to the tail, which is lunate, curved like a crescent moon, and tapered to pointy tips. The caudal peduncle, to which the tail is attached, is quite thin, with 3 stabilizing horizontal keels on each side. The tuna's dorsal side is generally a metallic dark blue, while the ventral side, or underside, is silvery or whitish, for camouflage. Number 4. Tunas migrate long distances over all the world's oceans and occupy tropical, temperate, and even some cooler waters. The only 2 species of relatively limited distribution are the blackfin tuna, Western Atlantic, and the long-tailed tuna, Indo-Pacific region. Tunas feed on fishes, squid, shellfish, and a variety of planktonic organisms. They spawn in the open sea over very large areas. The canned meat of albacore and yellowfin tunas is one of the world's most popular seafoods. Measures were undertaken in the late 20th century to prevent large numbers of dolphins from being killed by the nets used to catch tuna in the world's oceans. Number 5. The Australian government alleged in 2006 that Japan had illegally overfished southern bluefin by taking 12,000 to 20,000 tons per year instead of the agreed-upon 6,000 tons. The value of such overfishing would be as much as $2 billion. Such overfishing has severely damaged bluefin stocks. According to the WWF, Japan's huge appetite for tuna will take the most sought-after stocks to the brink of commercial extinction unless fisheries agree on more rigid quotas. Japan's Fisheries Research Agency counters that Australian and New Zealand tuna fishing companies underreport their total catches of southern bluefin tuna and ignore internationally mandated total allowable catch totals. click like and don't forget to subscribe.